Today on Divas Can Cook, it is all about the brownie cookie because everybody wins with the brownie cookie. Everybody gets that chewy edge and all that fudginess, and it is easy to make. Let's go. Okay, we're going to start by adding our dark chocolate into a bowl. I'm using Dove chocolate because I love it so much. Next, we're going to add in some butter. Pop this into the microwave until it is all melted like this, and now we can move along. Okay, in this bowl, I'm going to add in some sugar. A little bit of brown sugar. This is just like making brownies, exactly like making brownies. Next, I'm going to add in my eggs, a little bit of vanilla extract, a dab of coffee extract. That's optional, but ooh, honey, it's good. I always add that coffee extract in there. Okay, so you're going to set your timer for 5 minutes, and you're going to mix this for 5 minutes. Okay, it got to be 5 minutes, and you got to add lots of air into this batter. It's going to look all frothy like this right here after the 5 minutes are up. That's so perfect. Okay, yeah, that looks good, just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to add in our chocolate. It has cooled off a little bit, so I'm going to add that into my little mix like that. Dump it right on in, and now I'm going to mix this up just to make sure that chocolate is all mixed in. Everything is combined and looking good. That looks perfect. Now we can move along to our dry ingredients. I have some flour going in, just a little bit. Then we're going to add in a little bit of baking powder and some salt, and I have some dark unsweetened cocoa powder going in here. You can add more baking powder if you want a more of a cakey brownie, but I'm going for chewy. I want chewy and dense. Okay, now I'm going to mix my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients. Just use your spatula, honey. You ain't got to use no mixer. But here's how it should look, and that looks perfect. But we have to chill it for about 20 to 30 minutes just to kind of firm it up a little bit. You know, once it comes out of the fridge, you can go ahead and just scoop it on out and place it on your pan. I do recommend wearing gloves for this because this dough is so sticky. But if you work really fast, you don't have to wear gloves. But yeah. So just go ahead and plop your little dough balls onto your pan. You can make them as big or as small as you want. Go ahead and bake it at 350 for about 14 to 16 minutes when it comes out of the oven. You want to let it hang out in the pan for about 2 to 3 minutes just to kind of firm up a bit, and then you can very carefully remove them from the pan and place them on a cooling rack to finish cooling off completely. But other than that, you are done. You are done. But if you make them, let me know how you like them because I really think I like these better than brownies, like for real. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can get the full recipe at divascancook.com. Later.